Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the same project of using artificial intelligence to solve the project prediction. My name is Aheva Stevie, and my colleague Navasa Rodrick. Uh, as we had looked at before in the previous videos, football prediction is a method used in football to predict the outcome of football matches by means of statistical tools through machine learning. The goal of the football match prediction is to outperform the prediction of the bookmakers who will use them to set odds in the outcome of football, as earlier seen in the previous videos. The AI environment used in this project, the football prediction project, we are going to the environment that is going to be used is a multi-agent environment. This is because football as a game is played by more than one person. So the environment that supports this kind of model is the multi-agent model. The environment enables use of graph nets to conduct inter-agent information sharing. Each graph composed of nodes corresponding to the number of agents in the system. And this eases the prediction of results. And the AI agents used in the project, one of the agents used in this project are intelligent agents, which include humans. In this case, the humans are the footballers who play the football, so they'll also be studied. Then there is also software which receives the sensory information from the files and studies the environment. This software can be installed around around the playgrounds and to be able to study and evaluate the plays and understand. Then we also have robotic cameras, which has cameras and infrared range finders, which act as sensors, and motors, which act as actuators. The range finders, the sensors, they'll be able to study, they'll be able to scan the environment and send information back to the robotic cameras, which will be used in the analysis and determining the predictions and analyzing the results of the game of play. Then the motors, which act as the actuators, we shall see the different motors which affect the multi-agent environment in this case of our project, which enable our predicators to be able to analyze the strength of the teams playing, thus easing the prediction of the results. The dataset description for our project. The datasets in this project are majorly obtained from databases from Soccer Analytics in the Open International Soccer Database for machine learning. The dataset is composed by season, country, league, date on which that game was played, name of the team, and maybe the name of the players. Then the home and away team, number of goals scored by the home and away team, goal difference, and outcome of the game in terms of the home win, which stands with the W, then draw, which is a D, and away win, which is an L. Becomes impossible to extract manually the data, so it is needed to rely on the techniques from the algorithm in the project. I'll stop here, and my colleague will take you through the next part of the video.
Hello guys, my name is Navasa Rodrick. I'm taking on from my colleague Aheva Steven had stopped. So how informed search can be used. The algorithms of an informed search contain information regarding the goal state. Through the greedy search algorithm, it can be used to elevate the tip's performance, like using the expected goal metric, which can be used to determine the offensive and defensive rating of the teams, thus easing the prediction of the outcome. Using the uninformed search in this project, uninformed search means the machine blindly follows the algorithm regardless of whether they're right or wrong or efficient or inefficient. In case of using the breadth first search, this search method always provides a solution whether it is right or wrong as long as the solution exists. So, through using this search method, the algorithm starts from the origin of the results in the dataset and keeps expanding till it reaches the goal nodes in the dataset. AI accountability. Accountability refers to the expectation that organizations or individuals will ensure the proper functioning throughout the life cycle of an AI system that they design, develop, operate, or deploy in accordance with their roles and applicability regulatory frameworks. In an obligation to inform about and justify one's conduct to authority. Every person involved in the creation of AI at any step is accountable for considering the system's impact in the world, as are the companies invested in its projects. Understanding the working of how AI accountability can be used in the project. There's one, understanding the working of the AI, even when we are personally developing and monitoring its algorithms. The second is referring to secondary research by sociologists, linguistics, behaviorists, and other professionals to understand the ethical issues of a holistic context about the AI. The third one is keeping keeping track of ethical design choices and considerations after the launch of the AI. Then the fourth one and the last one, which is keeping records of our process during development. Below is a link to follow up on more resources of this information we have here. Next time to you all. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.